So, hello and welcome back, and today we're gonna remove the radio. This is MK8 Fiesta, so this is the smaller one, not the usual one that we have pretty much everywhere. So this equipment is kinda on the low side. It's a trend line. So as you can see over here, you have this one, so you can put the mobile phone up here, but you can take this out. And after that we have this little plastic that I did already remove, but here let me show you what you need to do. So you need to clip this little bit on this side. So let's check out. So we have 3 screws here, but first you need to come to that. So let me show you. I hope you can see. So you take these plastics. Use plastic. I always use screwdriver, but I get so many comments on that one. So use the plastic to take this out. So you need to turn it over here and on this side as well, over here underneath, so you can pull it out. But you don't want to break these clips or stuff like that. So next thing you have to do is unscrew these 3. I believe it's 7. It used to be 7, but let's check out. Yeah, it is 7. So yeah, let me unscrew it, then we move on with removing. So for you it's gonna be just a second. So after you remove those 3, as you can see over here, should be just to pull out. I believe it should be like that, but you never know. Let me try to check. Yeah, just need a little bit. Just need a little bit assistance. So let me try a little bit. So yeah, most easy way is just click over with a hand over here and pull up like this. You won't break anything. It's not that breakable. So we have this one electric over here, and this one you have to be really careful, because if you break this, it's gonna be painful. So I said so many times, you need to be careful with this one. So you need to push this pen inside, and then slowly from this side or this side take it out, but slowly. Let me remove it and then we continue. So you have to be just really careful with this one. If you break it, it's toast. So as you can see, what's holding it, and this pin that you have to push down and slowly take it out. So rest here, we need to take out this plastic. I did start already, but as I don't care that much, you really don't want to break anything. So it's kind of you need to be careful with everything, because if you break something, it's gonna be expensive probably, because everything these days is a little bit expensive. So you should really use the plastic, because these are probably all our pins. So let's see if we did get what we wanted here. Yeah, so I mean, as I said before, I don't really care that much if I break anything, but you should be really careful. Let me take this out, then I'll show you what's there underneath. So where you need to be careful and where you need to press. So second. So you have to take these 25 Torx. There is one here and another one. I don't know if you're gonna see this. Let me try to show you. One is over here. So here. But so this one. So you take these 2 out, and then it's pretty much easy. Now let's check on the back side. So what's holding? This one is holding these two. So these two are holding, and the two screws. And on top side, it's not that big because these are easy to pull out. So then you have this situation over here. So let's see what else we have to take out. So there is another two screws over here, some electricity over here, and 4 holding this side. So probably gonna take that out, and yeah, that's not that easy to make. So these two, I do like my screwdriver for this kind of type of things. You don't want to throw this away, but for me, I'm not gonna put this back, so it's not that important. Let me take this out. It's probably just with some plastic, probably just to take it out. It should not be anything more holding it besides these pins over here. So that's something that, yeah, as you can see here, these pins probably holding it together, and that's about that. I will take it out and then we continue on. So basically, those two are holding it. We have one electricity for this button you need to take out for the all lights button, and so nothing overly too special. So now probably best way would be to unplug these buttons, electricity and all the stuff. And so yeah, this is not problem, this is not a problem, this is probably a problem, same as this yellow one. So you don't want to break it, probably use screwdriver, smaller one, or plastic, because yeah, you should click like this. These should be really easy. So these two should be also be a little bit easier, but you never know, might need use fingers. Yeah, with fingers it's much easier. So, and for this one I will need both hands, so yeah, just a second, I will. Yeah, so once you unplug all of these, you take out the screws, and this thing falls out on its own, so should be relatively easy to take it apart. So yeah, and now we have this head unit that kind of does break down, but not as often because these cars are kind of new. And that's about that. If you have the other one with a display, it's a bit different. There can be behind the display one little unit, or down here. So yeah, and this one has the USB over here on the top, and kind of special one because these have also a CD player. That's the first time I saw this. So anyway, I hope this did help. Same way you took it out, you can put it back in. And next I wanna maybe try to put the display, the bigger display from that one with navigation. If this is just plug and play, that's something that interests me. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and see you guys in the next one. So till next one, see ya.